What if one drone could capture everything, every angle, every moment, without ever missing the shot? Today, we're unboxing the DJI Avata 360 and putting it head-to-head against the Antigravity X1. Both promise full 360-degree capture, but there's a big difference between them. We'll compare image quality, real-world performance, and see which one actually delivers better results. Let's get started. With the DJI Avata 360, DJI takes immersive flying to a whole new level. This isn't just another drone. It's a system that opens up entirely new, creative and technical possibilities. Instead of committing to a fixed camera angle during flight, the built-in 360-degree capture lets you decide your framing afterward, giving you complete creative freedom and ensuring you never miss the perfect moment. You can follow the action, reframe your shots, create multiple angles from a single take, and turn one flight into an entire sequence of cinematic moments. At the same time, the Avata 360 combines the intensity of first-person view, flying with advanced stabilization and intelligent control systems. The result is smooth, cinematic footage, even during complex maneuvers, while still preserving the thrill and immersion of FPV flight. This balance between control and freedom is what makes the experience so compelling for both beginners and experienced pilots. Despite its advanced technology, the drone remains compact, durable, and highly portable, making it ideal for real-world use with fast setup, quick deployment, and reliable performance when it matters most. It feels just as comfortable navigating tight indoor environments as it does flying across coastlines, mountain ranges, or dense urban skylines in cities like New York, London, Paris, or Sydney. And that's exactly why this category of drone is gaining serious global traction. From real estate creators in the United States capturing high-end properties, to commercial filmmakers in the United Kingdom producing branded content, to tourism campaigns in Australia and Canada showcasing landscapes, 360-degree drones are quickly becoming a core tool in premium content production. In high-value markets such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and across the European Union, including Germany, France, and Italy, there is a growing demand for content that feels immersive, dynamic, and high-end. Audiences in these regions expect a higher level of production quality, and advertisers are willing to pay premium rates for engaging, visually striking content. That makes tools like the Avata 360 especially relevant for creators targeting high CPM and high ARPM audiences on platforms like YouTube. Higher quality visuals lead to longer watch times, better audience retention, and increased engagement, all of which contribute directly to stronger monetization potential. At the same time, regulatory frameworks continue to shape how drones are used in different regions. In the United States, approval from the Federal Communications Commission plays an important role in market access, while in Europe, EASA regulations define operational categories and requirements. Weight classes, certifications, and local restrictions can all impact how and where a drone can be flown, which is why these factors remain highly relevant for both hobbyists and professionals. This also makes comparisons with alternative drones particularly interesting. When looking at models like the Antigravity X1, DJI's positioning becomes even clearer. While the Antigravity X1 targets the high-end segment with advanced specifications, it also offers one key advantage. It weighs under 250 grams. This lower weight class can make a significant difference in many countries, especially when it comes to regulatory requirements, licensing, and ease of use for casual pilots or frequent travelers. In many regions, staying below that threshold means fewer restrictions and more operational freedom, which is a major benefit for creators who need flexibility. However, the Avata 360 takes a different approach by focusing on delivering a complete ecosystem that combines performance, image quality, control, and creative flexibility into one integrated platform. This makes it particularly appealing to a broader audience, from independent creators to agencies and production teams. From a pricing perspective, the Avata 360 sits comfortably within the range of modern FPV systems, typically falling between $550 and $1,200 US, depending on the bundle and included accessories. This places it in a similar category to the DJI Avata 2, while offering a fundamentally different creative workflow through 360-degree capture. And that workflow is where the real value lies. Instead of thinking in single shots, creators can think in complete scenes. One flight can generate content for YouTube videos, short-form platforms, client projects, and even commercial licensing. This efficiency translates directly into higher productivity and increased revenue potential, especially in competitive markets where speed and output matter. For creators operating in high CPM regions, this can mean producing more content in less time while maintaining a premium look and feel. Beyond content creation, the Avata 360 also proves valuable in professional and industrial environments. In sectors such as construction, infrastructure, inspection, and real estate, full 360-degree capture allows entire environments to be documented in a single flight. Every angle is recorded, enabling detailed analysis and decision-making after the fact, without the need for repeated site visits. This reduces operational costs, improves efficiency, and enhances safety by minimizing time spent in complex or hazardous environments. The same advantages apply to fields like tourism, hospitality, and large-scale event production, where immersive visuals are becoming increasingly important for marketing and audience engagement. Businesses are no longer just selling products or services. They are selling experiences, and 360-degree aerial footage plays a key role in delivering those experiences. In the end, the DJI Avata 360 is more than just a drone. It is a versatile platform that bridges creative storytelling with real-world applications and business opportunities. It represents a broader shift in how aerial content is captured, produced, and monetized, moving toward greater flexibility, higher efficiency, and complete creative control. For creators, it unlocks new ways to tell stories and stand out in competitive markets. For businesses, it provides a powerful tool to communicate value and engage audiences. And for professionals across industries, it offers a smarter, more efficient way to capture and analyze the world from above.